Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video, and today I have a trailer hitch from Evannex, and now this is a trailer hitch that's specifically designed to fit your Model 3. So the Model 3 does not come with a trailer hitch, but I believe that adding a trailer hitch where you could put on, a bike rack or something like that adds a ton of functionality and a ton of storage possibilities to your Model 3. In this video, you're going to get a complete unboxing and my initial impressions of this, and I'm going to point you in a direction where my favorite install video is. Now I want you to notice here that this $300 trailer hitch is actually a class 3 hitch with a 2-inch receiver, perfect for a bike rack or a small trailer or something like that. Now I think at $300, the quality of this product is phenomenal. So definitely check the link down below in the description if you're interested in one of these. Now if you're looking for a stealth hitch, this is not that. But keep in mind, a lot of those stealth hitches have a lower towing rating, so you can tow less with those. So if you're only gonna do a bike rack and you like the look of the Model 3 without a trailer hitch on the back, then definitely go with something like the stealth hitch, which this is not the stealth hitch. For me personally, I like the ease of just having the trailer hitch readily available whenever I need it, so that's why I went with this one. Now, I was worried I didn't see any hardware in the box, but we do have hardware here. So this is the back of the trailer hitch here. And we also get instructions, which is awesome. Now I've never installed one of these hitches before on a Tesla Model 3. I have installed a trailer hitch before on a different vehicle. So it is nice that they included instructions. And again, I'm gonna show you, it's actually from U-Haul, is the super detailed video that I did see. So I'm gonna actually leave this protective cardboard on here for now because I'm not ready to install it on my car just yet. But so what you get in here is everything that you need, including all the nuts, bolts, and washers that are required to get this installed, and also installation instructions. All right, there you have it, and it'll sit right about here-ish. So if you're looking to do your own install right now, check out that U-Haul video that's down there. Otherwise, you can stay tuned to the channel and I'll have the install video up when I get a chance to install this trailer hitch. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.